Hey amigos, today I'm going to show you how to use textures in CraftyAmigo. Let's begin. First, click on the piece you want to work with and a menu will pop up. In that menu, click the Smart Brush icon. This gives you two options. Change color and select texture. Let's choose select texture. This opens the texture library. I'll pick a good texture and apply it into the piece. If you want to apply a texture to multiple parts at once, just hold down Shift, select the parts you need, open the menu again and choose another texture. For example, on the post, I'll use a different one so they stand out. Another way to add textures is through render options. Open the menu and activate the show floor option. This lets you change the color or texture of the floor. I'm also going to activate shadows to get a clearer view of the textures. Another way to add textures for your design is to use texture blocks, which lets you apply textures like water, grass, and different variations of bricks. To get them, go to all parts and search for block. Select one to add it into the workspace. Then, use the texture tool to swap it for a material you need. These blocks come in many categories: concrete, brick, grass, water, and many more. They're great for simulating walls or adding realistic details to your design. And if you're working with materials like acrylic or steel, you can also explore metallic textures, such as brass or polished steel. Just select the parts you want to change and replace them with the metallic texture you prefer. And that's it. Personalize your designs with these textures and make every project unique.